Who would think a cheap mouse pad from Amazon or Walmart for under $1 could have so many uses for bikes? We'll show you a few. Lost the sleeve to your CO2 cartridge, a 4 by about 2.5 section of mouse pad, and we're set to go. In a similar way, wrap your multi-tool in a section of mouse pad. Keep it from rattling around or tearing into your spare tube. Keep your work trays from sliding around your workbench. Attach a section of mouse pad to the bottom, not going anywhere. If I need a shim for the handlebars, in this case for my homemade bike map holder, I usually use a section of old spare bike tube and wrap it around, but in this case it was just too thin. So instead I cut a piece of mouse pad, cut it such that just a little bit smaller than the circumference of the handlebar. Placing the piece of mouse pad inside, mounted my holder, which came from an old bicycle plastic reflector. Screw that in. Then I added my homemade map holder, made from the side of a food container that was plastic disposable, and a metal paper binder. And I find that the mouse pad actually holds up a lot better than several pieces of old inner tube wrapped around. Using a piece of the mouse pad, a bottle, and a piece of chalk, nice coaster for my cup of coffee while I work on my bike. If you have other ideas for bicycle tools or accessories, please comment so we can pass that on to our viewers. Also subscribe to keep up with our latest videos. This is Tony of Tony 10 Speed. Safe cycling.